Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Instagram account. This guide will walk you through the steps to enable 2FA quickly. Step 1. Open Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Go to Profile. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile. Step 3. Access Settings. In your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu, then select Settings at the bottom. Step 4. Select Security. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Security. This will take you to the security options for your account. Step 5. Enable two-factor authentication. Under the Security section, tap on Two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to choose your preferred method, text message or authentication app, and complete the setup. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Instagram account with two-factor authentication. Make sure to keep your authentication method secure to protect your account further.